Hi there, welcome back to Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Most Americans and English use idioms, especially when they like to talk to one another, and consequently, idioms form a very important part of the English language. They are used to give life and richness to the language by enabling it to absorb new concepts which need to be expressed linguistically in a new way. Idioms take existing words, combine them in a new sense, and bring forth new expressions. What really is an idiom? One definition, maybe, is that it is the assigning of a new meaning of a group of words which already have their own meaning. Therefore, idioms are very important, especially in conversation and communicating with people. Some of them are colloquial, some of them are traditional sayings and even proverbs. For a foreign pupil of English, the learning of idioms is an important aspect to the mastery of English language. In this episode, I'm going to show you the pronunciation as well as the meaning and the use of some idioms. So here they are. The first list contains 4 idioms. Idiom 1, listen closely and attentively, caviar to the general. Caviar to the general. Caviar to the general. And this idiom means something that is too sophisticated to be used or to be liked and understood by most people. For example, we say his poetry is appreciated by experts, but it is a caviar to the general. That's idiom number 1. Idiom number 2 is make an exhibition of oneself. Listen closely. Make an exhibition of oneself. Make an exhibition of oneself. This means to behave foolishly. That's the meaning of make an exhibition of oneself, to behave foolishly, especially in public. For example, we say the little girl made an exhibition of herself by crying at her mother. Idiom number 3 is show the white feather. Show the white feather. Show the white feather. This idiom is very specific, and it means to show signs of cowardice and weakness. For example, we say he refused to join the party. The other people accused him of showing the white feather. That's show the white feather. Idiom number 4 is the flower of. The flower of. And when you pronounce this idiom, say the flower of. The flower of. And it means the best of. The flower of the nation died on the battlefield yesterday. Let's move on to the second list of pronouncing and understanding idioms. In list number 2, we have beat the band. Beat the band. And beat the band, which means go very quickly. That's the meaning of this idiom. At great speed and with a great deal of effort. For example, the police car was going down the highway to beat the band. Idiom 2, second list, at loggerheads. This is a very specific idiom. At loggerheads. At loggerheads. At loggerheads, which means in a quarrel or in a fight. John and Bob are at loggerheads. They don't seem to agree on everything. That's the meaning of at loggerheads. And then move on to burn up the road. Burn up the road. Burn up the road. Burn up the road. This mean this idiom means to drive one's car very fast. He was so eager to get to the game that he burnt up the road all the way. And the last idiom, which is number 4 in the second list, flat broke. And when we say flat broke, we mean having no money. I repeat, flat broke. Flat broke. Two-syllable phrase. Flat broke. Having no money. She gambled all of her savings away, and she is now flat broke. That's it for this lesson of pronouncing and understanding idioms. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. See you next time. Goodbye.